step-by-step guide to convert PDF file to Word. Open your browser, type convert PDF to Word online. Enter it and you will see PDF to Docs, convert PDF to Word online. Click on that. There is option upload file. Click on that. Then locate your PDF. So for me, I'll just choose any one of the PDF. I'll search for catalog. Okay, let me type, or let me go to small file, doctrinal statement, open it. It is uploading. Now it is converting. Okay, now you'll find the option to download. Click on the download here. Download. Here we go. Let us open the downloaded file. Now our Word PDF file is open in the docs file, as you see. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can just leave in the comment box. Thank you.